Here we have the Delfast 4mm Cordless Post Stapler. When you open up the carry case, you should have 2 batteries, 1 charger, 1 charger cord, a cordless cleaning kit guide, and 1 tool. Here at the back we have a door latch here for your fuel cell. Fuel cell goes inside, latch pops open. Here we have the battery, goes at the bottom just down there. You turn the tool around, you'll see the LED lights that show up. Here we have a belt hook, all the way around, left-handed or right-handed. Magazine, pusher, that pushes the staples up and down. And we have the depth adjustment on the front of the nose. The more you wind that in, the more the staple's going to go in. The more you wind that out, the further the staple's going to come out.